prices and more inventory in Annapolis aren't getting their New Year's wish. In fact, inventory remains super tight. Fewer homes coming soon, while days on the market remain at just 2 weeks. It's Friday, January 6th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Predictions for this year indicate that markets like Annapolis won't see a significant decrease in sales prices based on strong employment, good income, and economic conditions. Inventory will continue to be tight and sales prices will rise moderately. Right now, there are only 105 homes for sale. 16 new listings hit the market since my last report. 5 homes are coming on the market. 21 went under contract. 16 moved to pending. 47 sold in 15 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home was in Fishing Creek Farm for $2,525,000. Rental inventory fell to 37 homes for lease, rising to an average of $2,900 per month, and days on the market are at 41 days. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 6, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe. Happy New Year to health and good fortune.